Some practical news yesterday from Anthropic and Claude Code. So if you're like me and have been bad these last several months, you've probably been running. And come on, don't lie. We know we shouldn't be doing this, but I've been just ripping and running with just YOLO mode, dangerously skip permissions, because it's so annoying to have to like approve every single bloody thing that Claude does. So what do? You run in dangerously skip permissions mode, which is a horrible idea. And if you read the article on how they've addressed this, there are some terrible accidents that have happened. You can imagine, remote branches getting nuked, secrets leaking into production environments, like from the thing from Claude being over eager to do stuff. So this is not a great idea. We've all a lot of us have been doing this. I'll raise my hand. I've been doing it like crazy. Not a great idea. You can sandbox your environments, but it's a huge hassle. So what they've done is they built a classifier, and the write up for this is really interesting. It's super complex, but basically they're protecting us from ourselves, or at least trying to, and also allow for the convenience of just continuing and accepting edits. So there's a new mode called accept edits. Came out yesterday. It's March 26th today. It came out on March 25th, or at least the announcement did. I believe it's in research mode, so they're still working out the kinks. Here we go. You're going to hit permission mode. You're going to pass this permission mode flag in, and then accept edits, and then you should be able to just continue on, and it's going to function similarly in terms of your workflow to running dangerously skip permissions, but it should have some safeguards in place and not let you do anything super gnarly. One thing I'm very curious to see how this works, and I didn't read in depth about how subagents are handled, but as you're starting to spawn off subagents to go off and do work, I'm curious how this kind of cascades out and what it lets you do and what it doesn't. But I'm glad this came out. They said in the article that 93% of suggestions are accepted. So that's why we've all been doing this. Is it's like 93 out of 100 times we're saying yes, 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 keep going. So anyhow, pretty awesome news from Anthropic. Claude Code just keeps shipping awesome stuff. I love it.